For most taxpayers, the deadline to file their personal federal tax return, pay any tax owed, or request an extension is Tuesday, April 15th.
Despite staff cuts at the IRS, the agency says if you file electronically and use direct deposit, you should have fewer errors and avoid the headache of a delay with your refund. Experts advise getting your documents all together before you file. If you're itemizing, don't forget property tax notifications and mortgage statements. If you have an online side hustle like an Etsy shop, you have to file if you made $5,000 or more in 2024.
You can now use state income tax payments to help keep your county safe. Ellie Milliken went to Jones County to find out how you can help.
The Jones County Sheriff's Office says making a donation to a qualified law enforcement foundation can count as your payment for your Georgia state income tax.
We want to make sure they understand this is not a new donation, this is not new money. This is money they already have to send the state. They can defer that and send the money and keep the money locally.
Earl Humphreys is Chief Deputy for the Jones County Sheriff's Office. He says donations to their foundation can help them get up-to-date technology and train and retain officers. The foundation also helps with community outreach and lessens the burden on Jones County taxpayers.
And we'd rather use this instead of burdening the property tax owner, where our budget is basically financed from. This is the best way. This is a godsend for local law enforcement agencies.
Humphreys says they already have received donations and are very grateful. One of those was from Exchange Bank in Gray. Barbara Merritt works at that bank.
Exchange Bank wants to see our communities thrive, and we know that helping law enforcement is a huge part of that. And once we learned about the tax program, we knew that we could direct where our funds went.
She says the Jones County Sheriff's Office has done so much for the bank and for her personally.
Yes, my husband and I have looked into ways we can also donate our state income tax to the local Jones County Sheriff's Office.
Merritt says she is thankful to have a sheriff's department as hands-on as Jones County. In Jones County, Ellie Milliken, 13 WMAZ News.
The Jones County Sheriff's Office says the Law Enforcement Strategic Support Act allows tax credits on donations for up to $5,000 for a single filer and up to $10,000 for married couples filing jointly.